Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Today we will study a chapter of class 10 mathematics, that is coordinate geometry. Topic name is coordinate geometry. As we already studied in class 9 in this chapter, what we have studied, just review first and then we will study the next topics. First one is it is a picture view of geometrical representation of axes. That is, we have two axes and both are perpendicular to each other. First, that is which is vertical line, it is called y-axis, and one which is perpendicular to this axis, that is called x-axis. And equation of x-axis is y equals to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. It means, what does this mean? This means that in every point of x-axis, the value of y is equals to 0. For example, this one is 1 0, this one is 2 0, this one is 3 0. And what does this mean? This means every point on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0, 0 1, 0 2, 0 3. And in any random point, coordinate axis, this one is xy. Suppose this point is P. Now the distance of, definitely this one is x and this one is y. So coordinates of P are written as x, y. Now we also studied it is divided into four quadrants. That is, this one is first quadrant, this one is first quadrant, this one is second quadrant, this one is second quadrant, and this one is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. And this one taken as plus plus. Why? Because axis reminds us this one is positive and the left side of origin, that is negative, upside of origin is also positive and downside of this origin is negative. Okay. So first quadrant means plus plus, second quadrant means x will be negative, y will be positive, third quadrant means both will be negative, and last quadrant is positive negative. Okay, this one is taken as in class 9. We studied all about this, which quadrant lies in which point. Also we have seen that in any quadrants, what is the coordinates of every point. Now we will find the distance between any two points from any two quadrants. Suppose we will take a point from this quadrant and suppose a point from this quadrant. And what is the distance between these two? We will find this in this chapters. Also later on we will see one more topic, that is section formula. How many at which ratio it divides, if you write P at which ratio divides this point. Now we will see first one by is distance formula. How to find distance between two points. Suppose one point is x1, y1 and another point is x2, y2. Now we will have to find what is the distance between AB. And there is a formula to find AB, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will see from where it comes. Deduction of this formula. Suppose we will take it as axis and this point as A and this point as B. Now we will have to find the distance between A and B. Let us take coordinate of A is x1 y1, coordinate of B is x2 y2. Then definitely this distance will be, suppose this one is O, this is x, this is y, and join distance also. And what will the value of this one? This one will be x coordinate, suppose xy, x2, y2, and this one. Suppose this one is x1, x2, this one is x2, this one is y1, and this one is y2. Then now we can find distance of AB by using Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras says, in this right angle triangle AB, suppose this one is ABM. Now what is the value of MB? MB value of MB will be distance of, suppose x, not x, suppose let us take another, that is PQ, yes, PQ. Distance of MB is QB minus QL. QB minus QL. And what is the value of QB? That is x2. And what is the value of QM? QM, that is x1. So value of MB will be x2 minus x1. Okay? So value of MB we have, that is x2 minus x1. Similarly, value of AM. Similarly, value of AM will be, suppose this is another name, PQRS. AM is equals to RA minus MR. AR minus MR. And what is the value of AR? That is Y1 minus Y2. Okay. So this is y1 minus y2, and if we take distance, that is modulus form. Modulus means just take positive, let's say this distance is, so we can say y2 minus y1. So this is x2 minus x1, and this is y2 minus 1, and this is distance, so distance can't be negative, so we will take as positive. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we can find AB. What Pythagoras theorem says, in triangle AMB, in triangle AMB, okay, angle M is 90 degree, means right angle, we can apply Pythagoras, so AB will be hypotenuse, it means AB square is equals to AM square plus MD square. AM square plus MD square. Okay, so what is the value of AB? AB value is under root AM square plus MD square. And what is the AM? AM is this y2 minus y1 under root y2 minus y1 plus square plus x2 minus x1. This is what we have written. The distance formula of AB is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. So we will arrive at the conclusion of, we can find distance between any 2 points of any quadrant. If this A and B lies in any quadrant, like first, second, third and fourth, we can find by using this formula. This formula is called distance formula. Distance formula. Okay, so we will solve our questions of distance formula. That is, we will find distance between 2 points that can be given in my topics. Okay, suppose you have to find the distance between 2 points, that is AB, coordinate of this one is minus 3, 2, and coordinate of B is 3, 4. How can we find? Let us take few minutes to solve this one by using this one. So AB, this one as x1, y1, this one will be x2, y1. So value of AB will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Under root x2 value is 3 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 value is 4 minus 2 whole square. So 3 plus 3 that is 6 square and 4 minus 2 that is 2 square. What is the value of 6 square? That is 36 plus 4 that is root 40. You can just leave this one or you can factorize 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 will be covered out and 2 root 10 unit. Since this is distance, we write as unit. See, in this way we can find distance between any two points. And in next class we will study about section formula. That's all. Thank you.